Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Science School. Let's create an EBS volume and take a snapshot. Let's go to EC2 for the EBS. We see Elastic Block Store here, and under it are volumes, snapshots, and lifecycle manager. Going into the volumes, we see one root volume here, which has the EC2 instance AMI. This was created at the time of instance creation. We see volume size, type, its IOPS, and throughput here. We see volume state, attached resources, which is the EC2 instance here, and the encryption status. No KMS key here as the volume is not encrypted. Let's create a new EBS volume. Selecting a volume type from a variety offered here. There are general-purpose SSD and provisioned IOPS SSD. Provisioned IOPS SSDs are a type of high-performance storage designed for applications that require a large number of input-output operations per second IOPS, such as online retail platforms, payment gateways, or stock trading systems. Let's select GP2 in this case. Selected the size. The IOPS offered here is minimum 100 or 3 times the volume size, whichever is higher. Here 3 times size will be 3 times 30 GB, which is 90, so we get the minimum 100 IOPS. But it also offers a significant burst capability, up to 3000 IOPS, to handle peaks in demand, making it suitable for applications with variable workloads. We can create EBS in another availability zone, but not in another region. EBS volumes are region-specific. Next is the snapshot ID, which means that if we have a snapshot and we want to create a volume using that snapshot, then we need to select the related snapshot ID here, or select Don't Create Volume from a Snapshot. Now comes the encryption. We can encrypt the volume if we need. We can provide a custom KMS key or use default key. A KMS key ARN, Amazon Resource Name, is a unique identifier for a customer master key, CMK, within AWS KMS. Key ARN needs to be created using AWS KMS service. I have used the default key here. We see the KMS key details here. We can add a tag to this volume. Clicking on Create a Volume. Volume is created. Let's analyze it. We see the volume details here. This volume is not attached to instance and is encrypted. We see the volume state is available and not in use, which means that it is not attached to instance. No instance here. Let's right-click and attach this volume to our instance. We need to select the instance and device name, which is the volume name here. The new volume is attached to our instance now. Let's detach and delete the new volume. We see that the volume is again available and not in use. Let's delete it. The new volume is deleted. Instance still has the root volume with AMI. Let's move to Snapshot now. Let's take a snapshot of our root volume. We need to provide the snapshot description here. We can add tag to the snapshot. Clicking on Create Snapshot. Snapshot has been created. Snapshot will not be available instantly. However, we can use Fast Snapshot Restore for immediate availability. This is a paid feature though. Moving to snapshots now. We see the snapshot progress and status here. Let's go to Snapshot Actions. Some actions are blurred here, waiting for the snapshot status to be completed. We see that the progress is 100% and the snapshot status is completed. The size of snapshot is 28.88 Gibibyte, not gigabyte. Let's go to Actions now. We can create volume, image from Snapshot, and we can delete the snapshot too. See you again. Bye.